And for sewing machine maintenance, step number 2, we are learning monthly and bi-monthly cleaning and oiling techniques. So, and here we are also learning 3 major steps. First of all, it's exact places, mechanisms, and the joints that we need to check, clean, and oil. The step number 2, how to get there safely and how exactly you need to oil those places and clean them. And the step number 3, what you need to do right after cleaning and oiling your sewing machine before you start sewing next project. During sewing fundamental course, I'm showing how to do it with the different sewing machines. So you can also see it how to do with your type of sewing machine. Plus, if you have any questions about this topic, you can attend our weekly live workshops, show your sewing machine and ask any questions you may have. Okay, so you will have it clarified and you will not skip these very important steps. Okay, so stay tuned. One more topic left in the sewing machine maintenance chapter that I will explain to you tomorrow, what we need to learn in this topic. And in the upcoming days, I also will announce the date for the upcoming spring enrollment for Sewing Fundamental Coaching Program. So I'm looking forward to see you tomorrow. If you need a checklist for sewing machine maintenance, leave me a comment and I will send it to you.